Every bright spiky star in this picture is inside our own galaxy. Everything else, every smudge, every oval, every tiny sliver of light, is an entire galaxy, and there are hundreds of them. Up here near the top left, those two brilliant spiky stars, the blue-white one and the warmer yellow one, are close neighbors by cosmic standards, maybe a few hundred light-years away. But look just to their right, that tilted spiral with the glowing core. That's not a star. That's hundreds of billions of suns so far away it took its light over 100 million years to reach us. The stars are in our front yard. The galaxies are basically on the other side of the planet. Now look toward the upper portion of the frame. See that gorgeous face-on spiral? That's NGC 3312, about 150,000 light-years across, which is actually bigger than our own Milky Way. You can make out the golden bulge at the center and the blue arms wrapping around it. Blue means young stars. Hot, short-lived stars that burn bright and fast. And just above it, look closely, there are two galaxies sitting right on top of each other. That's NGC 3314, a galaxy pair that happens to line up perfectly from our angle. They're not actually colliding. It's just the universe's version of a photobomb. In the middle of the frame, two big blurry blobs sit stacked vertically. Those are NGC 3311 and NGC 3309, giant elliptical galaxies, each about 150,000 light-years wide. No spiral arms, no blue stars, just an old smooth crowd of hundreds of billions of aging suns. Ellipticals tend to be the cluster elders. They've already done most of their star forming and kind of settled down. Together with NGC 3312, these three are the gravitational anchors of the whole Hydra cluster, also catalogued as Able 1060. The cluster holds hundreds of galaxies, all loosely bound together by gravity, drifting as one enormous family through space. What gets me is the depth stacked into one image. A few hundred light-years for those foreground stars. Over 100 million for the galaxies. And behind all of them, more clusters, more superclusters, aligned across scales so big they don't have good names yet. It's a lot to hold in your head. We'll be here tomorrow. Subscribe so you don't have to remember to come back.